This AI is the question I just got. Welcome to day 17 of getting my Facebook account up to 10K per month. So we're going to be responding to this, which is funny. Um, uh, so we're going to send a GIF, AI, and we're going to do that. Would AI send a GIF like that? And then let's see what he says. Okay. And then we got Paul here. He'll probably. So he looked at my first message. He'll go back to that one. Ginger. Sounds good. We won't push it here, so we're gonna follow up. I'll make a note in my FlowChat system to come back. I was thinking not to get started before 2026, but to show Dawn a little more about strategies, and she can even some away, take some hold away if we don't end up working together. No. So we'll leave it at that. And then what we're going to do is long-term follow-up. And so we'll move her here. And it's not 3 months because that's what it goes to generally. So we just change it to today. And then we're going to do, we'll go to December. And we'll just send a message the 15th. We'll add a note. Right, so send message the 15th of December to see if it's worth booking a call to see a demo of FlowChat with her CTO Dawn before the new year, or if we should book in a time for the new year. So we're just going to put that in there. And then now we've put that. Maybe I would like we should talk then. Are you over 10K per month? Usually we work with 30 with founders past 30K per month, but our minimum is 10K. So here, invite to call sent. So actually, we have to go, just for tracking purposes, I've been teaching my reps this, go message receive first. We sent the transition question, which technically was this, right? And then from there, we invite to call. We should talk then. But before, I want to make sure that he's a good fit. I don't want to just hop on a call. No problem. What platform is Facebook your main platform to score new deals? Or are you more on LinkedIn? I'll send over a quick Loom and show you how Loom depending on the platform. On how on the platform to give you an idea. Of what we got. Okay, so yeah, I'm just repeating. He said like, "What do you got?" Right? No problem. So we're gonna do that. Oops, this was the wrong one. Sorry about that. That was meant for someone else. So I'm not sure what. Oh, I put them. Oh, yeah, that was me yesterday. I ran the wrong automation. So that's all on my side there. So what we're going to do is put them back in. We're actually going to grab the template. And we're going to grab the template that is so here what we can do, if we go into our templates, friend request sent, so initial message sent, right? This is the stage that I need them in. So I put them in message received by accident. So we're gonna go grab that. But I did. Okay. So we're gonna say that. So and then we're gonna say the same thing. So here we're gonna go into initial message follow-up sent. So we want them back there. Sorry about that, Michael. That was meant for somebody else, right? And then here we go like this. Let me grab that, post that in there. And then here, moved him already. Okay, I think that was good. We followed up with Mike. We're gonna have to follow up with Scott here, right? So AI, which is funny. So people, I mean, they pay attention to the profile, right? So I'm not AI. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do a voice message. So let's see if we can send, or we'll do it once I'm done here, but I'll send a voice message just so he knows that I'm real, right? So that's a really easy way of doing it. And then I just have to do it once I'm off here. And then once I send that out, then boom, that's super easy. Actually, we'll do it live here from my phone. So I can go into my Facebook, go into Messenger, just swap and change profiles. Can I do that here? I think so. So once I do that, then I can go in Messenger. And then now I can send a voice message to Scott. Hey Scott, happy Tuesday. Just want to send over a voice message to let you know that I'm real. Definitely use templates, and I use our software, our tech, to be able to keep track of the messages that I'm sending, come back a day later. And I did use a template there because we've been doing this for over 5 years, and we know the messages to say to get engagement, and then we handle it with human touch. So we are branching human authenticity with machine learning and machine automation, but AI is not at the point yet where chatbots are really great, so that's not the point of our system and our tech. So if you are interested, excuse me, lose my voice here, but if you are interested, totally open to talking further. If not, totally understand. I can mark you as do not contact and we can move forward, but I appreciate you engaging and letting me know that you haven't closed a deal in DMs. Something that we've been doing for a long time, and we've helped quite a few founders do it. So we're always open to helping and having a chat, no pressure, right? See if it's a good fit. Um, I'm in Toronto, by the way, so it's a little cold here. Maybe if you want to talk a little bit later today, I'm just going to be outside, um, almost shoveling snow. It snowed yesterday. Um, and then I'll be back. But yeah, I did not like that message. So we're going to restart that one, which is totally fine, right? That's why you have a voice message. You can restart it. So here, what I'll do. Hey Scott, just want to send over a voice message to let you know that I'm real, not AI. But I am using a system. It's our own tech. And that system does keep track of who I'm talking to, lets me know which message to send, when to send it, and essentially with the right message at the right time with the right person, we get a lot of conversations, we book a lot of calls, and we help a lot of founders. So our whole goal is to help founders save their time, get their time back, and get more revenue. Because with more revenue, you can do more in your business. And generally, we do that in the DMs. So on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. So since you haven't closed a deal in the DMs, have you ever tried? I'm just super curious on that side. So now we're going to send that out. So you can see, boom, I've sent this out. We're good to go. We're going to send over. So we did get a message received, right? And then we're going to send the transition question, which was the voice here. So now that we have that, we can keep going. We got a couple more responses here. We got somebody who sent an attachment. So let's see. So this is a great angle, right? He's telling us that, you know, sign up. Usually there's a little more to it than that, but I like it. So we're gonna do built with, right? And we're gonna just check and take a swing if he's go high level. I just have this feeling. Right, we kind of did this the other day. HubSpot. Oh, he's built off. HubSpot, Hotjar, ClickFunnels, Facebook pixels. Okay, so let's say looks like you're using HubSpot. Are you a partner with them? We just talked to, oh, what was his name? Just talked to another HubSpot partner this week, and it was really interesting. So now, right, transition question sent. I've built rapport. I like the way that he's doing it. We're in a conversation, right? So that's awesome. Dima here at multiple business. Have any of the businesses around 10K? What type of SaaS? Okay, that's interesting. Once he answers, I'll send the booking link. Because if he has a couple businesses at 10K per month, then it's worth talking to him. So like I say, we can help that. My background is real estate. And then we're gonna go here. I'm gonna grab that. Boom. So now we sent the booking link right today in a couple minutes here. In 17 minutes, we sent another booking link. Probably gonna, book a couple other people. We've gotten back. We followed up with Mike, right? Sent over the email. He's looked at the email. So I'll just keep following up again today. And then there's a couple more people that we'll follow up with and keep going. So that is it for day 17. We've sent out a booking link. Looks like we'll book another call. We've gotten some funny responses. We've gotten some awesome responses. And then we're going to continue following up with people. It's a little bit early in the morning today, so these people are going to, go back and forth. Somebody said they don't have time for a call. We objection handle that. We said, okay, we'll send over a quick Loom, right? Be like, and can I edit this? Send over a quick 2 to 3 minute Loom, right? So be more specific so they know exactly, depending on which platform. So there we go. We have that in place. I'm not sure why Ricky's not in our pipeline. He should be there, but I'll go in after. Check. Actually, like, this is the thing I can do, right? Ricky Thomas. Yeah, he's there. So it's just got to refresh. That's all. Okay, so we're all set, and that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow on day 18.